Perched along the rugged Oregon coast, Depoe Bay offers a front-row seat to nature's raw power during the annual king tides. For a brief time in winter, crowds gather along the town's famous rock seawall to witness massive swells collide with the shoreline. The real stars are the spouting horn's natural blowholes that blast geysers of saltwater high into the air, drenching the sidewalk and occasionally surging onto Highway 101 just feet away. While some thrill-seekers venture into the icy sea spray, the sheer force of the tide serves as a powerful reminder of the ocean's unpredictable energy. For a brief winter window typically spanning 3 distinct sequences in November, December, and January, these super tides occur when the moon is at its closest point to Earth, while aligned with the sun. This celestial synchronization amplifies the ocean's gravitational pull, resulting in the highest water levels of the year, often surging 6 inches or more above daily average. While some thrill-seekers venture into the icy sea spray, the sheer force of the tide serves as a powerful reminder of the ocean's unpredictable energy. To experience the event safely, never climb over the rock seawall or onto wet rocks. They are dangerously slippery and vulnerable to sneaker waves, unexpectedly large waves that can sweep people out to sea. The Depoe Bay Whale Watching Center offers an elevated, safer vantage point with indoor viewing options if the weather turns harsh. Peak action usually occurs 30 to 60 minutes around the NOAA-predicted high tide. Beyond the spectacle, these tides are a focal point for the Oregon King Tides Project, a community science initiative that uses visitor photos to document coastal erosion and preview the potential impacts of future sea level rise. Depoe Bay, Oregon, often called the whale-watching capital of the Oregon coast, is a premier destination for marine life enthusiasts and nature lovers. Nestled along Highway 101, it is distinguished by its rugged volcanic cliffs and the world's smallest navigable harbor, measuring just 6 acres with a narrow 50-foot wide channel. The town's layout is unique, featuring a massive seawall that runs the length of the downtown area, allowing visitors to shop or dine with constant views of the Pacific Ocean. Depoe Bay is widely regarded as one of the most popular viewing spots on the Oregon coast, often becoming shoulder to shoulder with visitors during king tide events. The influx of people is significant enough to transform the town's typical winter off-season into a peak tourism period. Longtime visitors note that the town can be more crowded during a king tide than on a beautiful summer weekend, regardless of whether the event falls on a weekday or during rain and wind.